up guys, it's lilyalecia. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, of course, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an initial review, an unboxing, and an install of this V-part wig that Unice Hair went ahead and sent me. They went ahead and sent me their 24-inch body wave V-part wig in the color natural black. The link to the hair will be down below, so you guys can go ahead and check it out. So enough chit chat, let's go ahead and get right into this video. So it did come via FedEx, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this up for you guys. So this is the packaging right here. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this up. The hair comes in here. Okay, so this is the hair obviously, but I'm going to set that down and I'm going to show you guys what else we get. Okay, so we do get a pouch of goodies, you guys. It looks like we get a nice satin scarf. You do get a wig cap. We do get a little brush. And then of course we do get lashes. Okay, so let's just go ahead and get into the wig. It does say here that the hair was disinfected. So this is what the hair is looking like in the bag. Let's go ahead and take out the hair. Mesh netting. And it does have paper, which we're gonna take out. First things first, this hair is soft, okay? This hair is soft. This is the body wave. It looks really full, really full. I'm running my fingers through it. No shedding at all, none. What the hair texture is looking like, it's bouncy. And then this is what the V part is looking like. So you get 5 combs, you get these 2 on each side, and then you get one, of course, in the middle, right here. And it is V part. And again, you guys, this hair is super full. Now, I'm not sure of the density. I would have to double check, but I will put the density in the description box below. This is definitely not 150. This feels more like 180 to 200. These ends are super full. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put my hair in a ponytail. I'm not braiding it or anything. I'm just gonna put my hair in a ponytail and have some leave out, and we're gonna go ahead and style. This is my real hair, you guys. Like, no wig, nothing. I'll show you guys this. Yeah, real hair, nothing but scalp, real hair. So yes, this is my real hair, you guys. If you guys want like a hair care routine on how I keep my hair like this, or like a hair straightening video, comment down below. Okay guys, so I went ahead and took out my leave out, put on the wig cap, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put her on now. Much better. Okay, much better. It definitely would look and feel better like once my hair is braided down, but I straightened my hair, and you know, just for the purpose of the video, I just put the wig cap on, and I wasn't going to braid my hair down, but this is what it's looking like. I'm gonna go ahead and, you know, blend my hair a little bit better. Okay guys, so I went ahead and blended, or at least attempted to blend my hair with it. I just curled this part a little bit because the top part of the wig is kind of straight, and then it starts to have these body wave curls. Let me know what you guys think. This is how it's looking. That's how the part is looking. And I probably should have fixed some of my baby hairs for, you know, it to have a nice cleaner look, but this is what, you know, the sides are looking like. It looks very natural from afar. I wasn't really going for, like, you know, the whole polished you know, glammed up look. I was just going for, you know, a more natural look. And so this is where it comes to. This is where it stops. So overall, I definitely give this wig a 10 out of 10. It's just perfect. I mean, I don't have to glue anything down. I mean, the combs, like, they snap right in place. Like, it's literally staying. Like, this is not coming off my head at all. I love the adjustable straps. I love the color. I love the curls. I love the fullness of it. Like, and I just love how it blends so well with my hair. Yeah, it's just I just love it. I just love it. I give it a 10 out of 10. There's no shedding. It's super soft, super bouncy. It's not shiny, it's not dry, nothing like that. So Unice, however you guys pronounce it, this wig is a 10 out of 10. Thank you so much for sending me this hair. This is some amazing hair, and I definitely will be showing you guys or doing an updated review. As you guys can see, I keep looking in the mirror because, I mean, it's just, I just love this hair. Again, the link to the hair will be down below in the description box, so you guys can go ahead and check it out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. And always remember to stay beautiful. Bye, guys.